Hey, what's up? Long time no see. What you see behind me, these are pipeline, boiler pipeline. These are basically pipelines that carry thermic oil from a boiler to where the heat is needed. And you see they are insulated. Process called lagging, and I have a problem with one of these valves. One of it is leaking, which is bad for production. It leads to loss of oil, and I'm here to correct. Let me show you the point where it is leaking, and I'm going to switch the camera to back view. But basically what I'm saying is these are boiler pipelines. One is inlet and the other one is taking back to the boiler for heating. Yeah, you see they are a GI pipe, but they are insulated and lagged to prevent heat loss. Since the boiler is about 100 meters from where the heat is needed, and you can see the valves. There are two manual valves and one pressure valve, control valves, and yeah, that's what's up. So this here is where I have a problem with the valve. You can see there is a lot of oil that has leaked from the valve. My biggest suspect is the seals inside the where the shaft is moving up and down, because this shaft moves up and down to control the temperature in the oven. So that movement must have worn out the seals, because the oil here gets to around 230 degrees. That is a very high temperature, and possible to rupture the or to burn out the seals, and as a result you can see the damage it has caused. So stay with me as I dismantle this thing. Yeah, damn. Oil production up. Okay guys, so the control valve is out. Here's the whole control valve. This is the inlet for air, pressurized air, and here's the mechanism for opening and closing. Now, as you can see here, this is the this is the bypass. When temperature has achieved, the right temperature is achieved, the control valve closes down and oil passes through the bypass back to the boiler. These two are manual valves, and here is the automatic valve that uses air to close. Now what we are going to do, we are going to source another control valve and install it here and test it. And that is it for the work for today. Thank you. So we are here to harvest this one, this tall as control valve. Harvesting time. Na tunaanza na kufunga. I think hata zimefungwa hizi. Lakini inaonekana iko open. Naenda hivi. Clockwise. Tata kwanza yenyewe nitaka. Ini mafuta kama iko. Mafuta kama iko moto. Kama iko moto. Haina.
diagonal tightening, diagonal tension. Ukifunga screw ya huko chini, unafunga yenye opposite to balance the tension. Otherwise unaweza vunja bolt hata hujakaza.
Zote nimepaka hizi.
Ni record sasa. ina record kweli. So we are still on our control valve, the pressure control valve, and you can see we are tightening it. We are installing it back because unfortunately we could not manage to unbolt the fringe down there. It is heated up so much such that any tension will break the bolts. So we are fixing it back, and we'll get the solution for the one that is pending over there. Twende kazi.
Sababu unaweza fanya kitu alafu mtu aone lakini sasa kiona hapo kwenye hiyo nani boti anaangalia
switching tools. Hii ni pipe wrench. Hii ni mamba hii. Mamba 24. Original mamba. Oh yeah. Good record yo.
So unfortunately we were not able to replace the faulty control valve, and you can see it is already leaking oil, which is very bad because I could not find the right replacement, and replacing the seals is going to take around 4 days, and what we don't have is 4 days in this factory, so it is going to hold for a little bit while I'm at it. There's this electric thrust actuator. It's also a valve, works the same way. It has inlet, an outlet, and a bypass at the bottom, so it is not very different from this one, only that this one does not use pressurized air to open and close the valve. It uses it has a motor. It has a motor and a capacitor there, limit switches, and all. So you can see I have already powered it. I had connected some wires to the actuator. This is the common, or rather neutral, and these are the two directional signals to command the motor to push down, closing the valve, or up, opening the valve. But unfortunately it did not work, and I have a lot of work to do here. I have to configure this valve to working condition so that I can install it in time. Here is the whole setup. So what you guys are going to do, you are going to stick around, hang out with me, and I'm going to show you as I configure this electric thrust actuator, and finally be able to replace one of the valves like the one you see behind me there. I'm going to show you whether I'm going to succeed or I'm going to fail, but if I do this, this will be a great achievement, using electric thrust actuator instead of control pressurized valve. Also,